Max is scared to touch succulents. Amy is scared of the dark. And Lily is scared of insects.
Hey everyone, don't be scared. Just do the I Dare You challenge.
Huh? Oh, these are nice.
I Dare You challenge.
What?
I dare you to wear those without your hands.
Good luck, Max.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Go, go, go!
What is he doing? Oh my god.
I can't do it.
Haha, you lose the challenge.
Whatever, I'm tired.
I dare you.
What?
I dare you to keep laughing the whole day.
Laughing? Easy, challenge accepted.
Okay, let's see if you can do it.
I got this.
Are you sure?
I got it.
Why? Why did you leave me?
What's wrong? What is it? Why are you crying?
My boyfriend dumped me.
Don't worry, you're gonna be fine.
Huh? You're making fun of me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where are you going?
So heavy. Ouch! Ow!
What happened? Are you okay?
I just crushed my hand moving the show.
Are you okay? Is it hurt?
Huh? I get hurt. You laugh at me?
Oh. Why did you punch me?
Don't ever laugh at me again.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings.
Congratulations, Max. You won the challenge.
Come on, Lily, hurry up. We have to go.
Give me a second. I can't do it fast with long nails.
Come on, I can do it faster with long nails.
Well, okay then. I dare you to pick up these diamonds with this fake nail.
Easy peasy. Aha, I told you I could do it. So, can we go now?
No, I still need to finish my nails.
Lily, can you
Lily,
hurry up?
squeeze
I'm really
faster.
thirsty. Can you
want lemonade
make the
already.
lemonade fast?
Enough! I dare you guys to eat a lemon without changing your face.
Huh?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Alright, come here. Okay, good job, Max. Now your turn, Amy.
Okay.
Nice.
Can we get lemonade now?
Yeah, we won your challenge.
2 juices coming right up.
Thank you.
I dare you to drink this soda upside down.
I just finished working out.
So what? A dare's a dare.
Okay, fine. I did it.
Hey, look, here you go. I finished the whole bottle.
Max, what are you doing? Are you kidding me?
I got you.
Well, I got your back. I dare you to tickle your nose with a feather without sneezing.
That's easy. Let's do it.
All right, have a seat.
Let's do it.
Ew, are you serious, Max?
Oh, sorry.